All right, welcome back to the Club 12 Connection Challenge. Dean Bokhari here, and we are now on day 6 of the Connection Challenge. And today we're tackling one of the hardest things to do in modern life, which is making friends as an adult. Because look, when you were a kid, making friends was easy, wasn't it? You just walked outside to recess, you saw somebody on the swings, you said, hey, you want to play? Right? In high school and in college, proximity did all the heavy lifting for you. Right? If you shared a dorm room with somebody, well, you became friends. But what do you do as an adult? Right? Proximity disappears when you're an adult. Work gets demanding when you're an adult. You get tired, you go home, you watch Netflix, you go to sleep, and slowly but surely, your social circle starts to shrink. Now, if you want to build a thriving network of friends as an adult, you've got to understand one core problem, which is that everybody is playing defense, right? Everybody's sitting on their couch, looking at their phones, waiting for somebody else to make the first move, to initiate, right? Everyone wants to be invited, but nobody wants to do the inviting. And so if you want to maximize your personal relationships, you've got to make a shift. You want to build